I'm Mike Zima, digital marketing expert, and today I'm going to talk about a new update from Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a tool we use as SEO experts to diagnose issues on a client's website. And this feature is allowing us to see if those 5-star reviews are coming up inside of Google search results alongside your website results. It's important to actually see if you have any issues because this can cause conflicts with your campaign. This can reduce the click-through rate on your listings, and this could also fail some of your product listings inside of Google Shopping or other Google Ads campaign features, because it's important to have consistency on your website, inside of your Google tools, and inside of your ad platforms. So to stay ahead of any sort of issues or any hiccups in your advertising, make sure you're looking at your Google Search Console and working with a developer in order to keep your site at top notch so you can stay ahead of your competitors that may drop off, that aren't paying too close attention to these little errors that come up. If you have any questions about Schema or Google Search Console, drop me a comment below and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.